Good evening, everyone. We are back with another video in our series of videos that we are doing, and this time we are talking about is Coutinho coming to Arsenal. That is the big question that is going around. So, Brazilian international Felipe Coutinho has been linked with a return to the Premier League. He's wanted by former club Liverpool and North London Giants Arsenal. These are the two clubs that have been chasing him, and everyone is wondering whether he will be returning to the Premier League or not. He recently scored a couple of goals for Bayern versus Barcelona, but his future at Bayern is not going to last long, and the player has produced top quality in the Premier League before, which is certainly known. Though he is out of form at present, a lot of big clubs are looking to sign him. Arsenal are in need of a creative midfielder at present and are considering signing the Brazilian. So, as we know that the Gunners are in need of an attacking midfielder who can create something for them, knowing the Mesut Ozil situation, they are looking to sign Felipe Coutinho, and the fans across social media are really excited about having him in. However, a recent story had suggested that the Londoners have made Willian their priority, whom they eventually did sign from Chelsea on a 3-year deal. A lot of reports suggested that Arsenal will be happy just signing Willian, and the Coutinho deal has been put on hold. So there was a very angry reaction coming in from the Gooners on social media, the Arsenal fans, who were not really impressed with their club's policy of just signing Willian and letting go of Coutinho because of the fact that they feel that the club needs more players. In this video, we now take a look at why Arsenal should sign or shouldn't sign Coutinho and what are the implications of the deal with respect to Arsenal, Barca and the player. But before we get into that, we would appreciate if you can subscribe to the channel for more content on football. So quickly heading into the discussion about this topic, and the Felipe Coutinho transfer deal attracted a lot of attention. We will be talking about some of the factors related and involved with that. Let's go back to the start first. Felipe Coutinho made his first team debut for Inter Milan back in 2008 and stayed in the Serie A with the Serie A side till 2013. He was a bright young Brazilian talent who went out on loan during this period. He also went out from his boyhood club Vasco da Gama and the second time to Espanyol on loan. This is where he met former Tottenham manager Mauricio Pochettino, whom we remember with the long hair. If you have been following Troll Football Generation, you would remember his picture with the long hair. So that was about that. And the Argentine made the move to England shortly. He managed Southampton after that. He was in charge of Southampton, the Saints, and Pochettino wanted to sign Coutinho, who was at that point of time with Inter and looking to find a place for himself and where he could grow, a club that would be ideal for his growth and development. So Pochettino wanted Coutinho at Southampton. However, the Brazilian opted to join Merseyside outfit Liverpool instead. The deal was completed in 2013 as Pochettino failed to sign this former star. And what happened eventually, we all know what happened next is history. He developed into a top player at Liverpool. He did some special things under Brendan Rodgers, and this guy was Liverpool's best player at one point of time and also did the same for Brazil as well. During his time at Liverpool, Coutinho developed into a versatile player. He could not just play as a central attacking midfielder, cam, but on the wings too. At one point of time in the season, SSS, Sterling, Suarez and Sturridge. After that combination, Coutinho was played on the wings. He was on the right wing with Sterling on the left when Suarez left. Further, he developed and strengthened his ability not just play as a creative midfielder but a prolific goal scorer, which these qualities attracted a lot of attention from a host of top clubs like Barcelona, who eventually signed him for a whooping fee. It was 140 million euros at that point of time. Crazy money. Liverpool happy. And then they got the signings that they needed. Felipe Coutinho has been offered to Arsenal and other Premier League clubs and is another possible signing for Arsenal. Barcelona want a loan fee of 9 million if you have seen the stories, and half of the Brazilians' wages, 240k pounds a week, to be paid for the deal to get done. So they want Arsenal to at least pay 120k pounds a week. If Arsenal agree to that, then I think they can sign Coutinho. The Brazilian was rumored to be spotted in Arsenal's training ground recently. However, there was no concrete proof that he was there, as social media continued to speculate about him and about the signing. A cheap deal to say the least, with Arsenal lacking a creative midfielder. Will they actually sign him? Do let us know, guys, in the comments below, and what is your reaction and response to this? And do you think that Arsenal will actually be signing Felipe Coutinho in the current transfer window? If yes, do mention yes. If no, then do mention no. Thank you so much for watching. This is another video from us to you. Hope you got some information about the Coutinho deal and the financial implications that follow. So don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and keep following us for more football content on the beautiful game.